Hey friends, how's it going? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a fly, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to make a circle. It's almost actually like an oval shape. If you'd like to make it a little bit elongated this way. Underneath that, we're going to make another shape that looks like an oval. And then underneath that, we're going to make a shape that's a little bit more pointy at the bottom, like that. So this is going to be the body of our fly and then the head of our fly. Now we're going to go back up to the head and we are going to make some lines that look like this. It's almost like a forward C and a backward C. And inside those lines, we are going to make some straight lines, and these are going to represent the fly's eyes. So after we put those in, then we're going to come down so it makes some small squares in each of these shapes that we've created, just like that. So these are our fly's eyes. Let's make some of those little, I don't even know what they're called, but I know that flies do have this, feelers maybe. And then we're going to move to the midsection of his body. Let's make a couple of lines that come out like this. And then they kind of go in a little bit like this. Now at the end of these legs, we're going to put some hooks. Just like that. So if you look at a fly really closely, you can see that they have little hooks on the end of their legs. I don't know if they're actually hooks. That would be a really good question. Let's make some wings. So we're going to come out and down and then back up. So out and down and come back up. Close that up there a little bit. Now let's make some curved lines on his body and some straight lines down here. Now flies have 6 legs, so we're going to make another pair here. So it's the double lines, and then we come down, and don't forget the little hooks. And then the last pair with the little hooks. So straight line, straight line, straight line coming in, and a small hook at the end. All right, so for the background for your fly, you can do anything that you like. I'm wondering, I think I'm just going to have kind of a crazy background. I think I'm just going to have some zigzag lines going like this. Because flies can get a little bit crazy, can't they? This just adds a little bit of detail. But you can certainly make a different type of a background if you like. If you want more there. Alrighty, I hope that you enjoyed this drawing lesson. I'll see you next time.